you are going to receive an email with a Zoom link included in it for your particular Zoom session. So we have a quick little email with a Zoom link in it. You're going to click on that link. It's going to take you to Zoom in your internet browser, and it is going to ask if you want to join outside of the internet browser in the app. If you are doing it on your computer, you can choose to do it on your internet browser or in the Zoom app. If you are tuning in from, say, your iPhone or your tablet or your iPad, then you will have to download the Zoom app. It will also prompt you automatically, if it is your first time, to give it the access it needs for your camera and your microphone. Click yes to both of those. If it doesn't prompt you, you may have to go digging into your computer's preferences to allow it access. But when it gets to this screen, just click Join with Video. Here you go. It's going to join up, and you'll see right now that the host needs to let me into the meeting. So we're going to wait for just a second while the host allows me in. Once that is done, I'm going to connect up. And look at me. There are 3 of me in this meeting. One, down here in the menu bar, you can see that you can mute your microphone or unmute your microphone. You can stop your video. You'll see me disappear up top there, or start your video again. And you can click to open up the chat function. Over here in the chat, you can message everyone, or you can message an individual like me, especially if you need tech help. And then I can respond directly to you. There you go, it comes up. You can also have some fun with different reactions and trying some different things out. Like if you want to give digital applause, you'll see it up in the screen there. And one of the favorite items is entering into gallery view. Here you go. That brings up the multiple screens of the different guests who are there. It can usually fit about 12 different people on your individual screen. And so if not everybody in the session is actually fitting, you can swipe or click right around over here to get to the next screen and see more people who are in there. Speaker view will prioritize whomever is speaking at the moment. And the host themselves can choose at different points to spotlight different videos. So right now, my video here on screen has been chosen to be spotlighted. Now, a good rule of thumb while you're attending the meeting is to keep your microphone muted unless you are speaking.